Life is Sweet came about. They sent me two instrumental tracks. One, I believe, was ended up being in Dusk We Trust, and I just felt that I could write some words to the song that became Life is Sweet. So I had a bunch of ideas, and I went down to their studio with these sort of ideas, and when I arrived, everything sort of changed, and all my ideas sort of seemed to fade away, and then sort of started from scratch in the studio. Sort of built it up from me jamming on a microphone really until some crazy ideas started to happen, and it went from there really. I remember being really excited when I heard Life is Sweet for the first time, and it's, you know, I thought it sounded fresh, and it does sort of sound like it was done, you know, sort of by three inquisitive sort of minds really, sort of like, you know, trying to get something together. It's, you know, from the start, it's good. It's that me and another friend, Martin, we used to sort of, well, there's a time that we used to go to Sweden for a while, and we used to sort of open up for them, and they used to sort of kind of like us doing it because we weren't anything like Tom and Ed, you know. We just play Nancy Sinatra and you know, and then Captain Beefheart or something. So it'd just be, you know, there's no big beat, you know, which at the time everyone was trying to do, you know, because I think Tom and Ed set the scene really. I think there's a time that we all decided to give up. Like, I decided to give up being in the Charlatans, and Tom and Ed decided to give up being in the Chemical Brothers, and we were just going to hire a van and drive around Sweden for the rest of our lives. Well, I mean, I think the sound is a very energetic sound. So I think it's really easy to identify with it. You know, there's something that gets you straight away. To define it, I don't know. I think I don't know. I just think it has its place. I mean, for me, it's electronic, cosmic rock.